15-piece service set the other day to replace that. So we're going to use some alien space savers, and we're going to clean up this 15-piece service set that comes in a stupid plastic case. Really needed it for, I believe it was a 32. Yeah. So I hit it once with the air hammer, and while holding the lock tool there, I hit it once with the air hammer, and once you know, that span spun right off, or that fan spun right off. Now they are reverse threaded, so yes, I put it in a tightening fashion, but whatever. Those who know will know. So yeah, we're going to put that set probably in this drawer with some alien space savers. So they'll be back there. And they'll be back there. And they'll be back there. So, stay tuned for that, by the way. I will also drop my Alien Space Savers affiliate link below. We're getting ready to utilize not only the 3/8 and 1/4 inch extensions in green and purple, but the rail link extensions as well. Yeah, you see it, guys. That's 2 rails put together to make one long one. And as you see, it's gonna serve a purpose. So stay tuned on that as well. Waiting for more wrench organizers to be able to organize these a little better, so that way they're not moving when the drawer's coming in and out. We already took the slides out for